Hi guys! Welcome back to Workshop Wednesday. This is Lolly. To kick it off, we're going to do a quick icebreaker. The icebreaker is 3 things we're grateful for. The 3 things I'm grateful for is having my mom by my side, having a roof over my head, and I especially want to thank all the essential workers fighting COVID-19 and helping people who are in need. Thank you. Today, what we're going to be talking about today is gratitude. What's gratitude? Gratitude is looking at life for what it is, yet through a positive lens. So that means being thankful, showing appreciation, and being kind to your surroundings. The reason we're talking about gratitude is right now how we're going through a difficult time. Don't forget your loved ones and be thankful for them, because in the end of the day, they're the ones at your side and helping you go through this. And I'll let Lupe talk more about it.
Hi guys, this is Lupe. So 3 things that I'm thankful for or I'm grateful for are my family and friends, my education, and culture. So today I'll be discussing about gratitude and how can it only improve our life. So gratitude can improve our life in many ways. It can improve our physical and psychological health, sleep quality, and self-esteem. Not only that, but gratitude can open the door to more and better relationships. It can enhance empathy and understanding towards others. It can increase our happiness and also strengthen our willpower to make better decisions. Not only that, but gratitude can be a shield. Gratitude can protect us from any stress or negativity in our life. And gratitude doesn't do us any harm by practicing it in any form. Gratitude can only make us a better person, and Steve will talk more about gratitude.
Hey guys, this is Steve Solorio. So 3 things I am grateful for. 1, I am grateful today for waking up healthy. 2, I am grateful for having 2 beautiful daughters also that are healthy. 3, I am thankful for having a roof over my head, food, and being healthy during this epidemic. So those are 3 things I am grateful for today. So we're going to continue talking about gratitude. So just remember that gratitude is something that needs to be practiced on a daily basis. It's something that you guys should wake up every day. It's an attitude. So you guys should wake up every day and think, I am grateful for waking up. What am I gonna do to be grateful for on this day? You can make a list every day and be like, in return, because today is a grateful day, I am gonna do these things. I'm grateful for waking up and having a roof over my head, and I want to give this back in return. So make sure you guys are grateful for those people around you. Also show gratitude towards yourself. It's really important for you guys, that we talked in the past about self-care. Be grateful, give yourself compliments. Every day wake up and be like, hey, I look good. Hey, today it's a good day, and just give yourself compliments. Say, hey, I look good, my hair looks good. Make yourself feel good. Also treat yourself. Treat yourself to something, maybe not every day, but try to treat yourself to something you love. Maybe you did today, you're gonna be like, hey, I'm gonna treat myself to a coffee, I'm gonna treat myself to a candy, because I feel good, I look good, so I'm gonna treat myself, and I'm gonna make myself feel good. Next thing is spend time with yourself. Do something you love. What do you love? Do you like playing soccer? Do you like reading? Do you like listening to music? Give yourself that time. Maybe today, for example, today I'm thinking after work I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna go on a walk. I'm gonna go on a walk with my daughters, because that's what I love. That's spending time with me and my daughters, and it makes me feel good. Also, don't forget to give yourself a break. Things are tough nowadays here with coronavirus and other stuff. It's hectic at home. Give yourself a break. What do you like to do to give yourself a break? Go ahead and go to your room, lay down, listen to music. Maybe you like going to the gym. Maybe we can't go to the gym right now, but go on a run. That's how you can give yourself a little break. Watch a movie, Netflix. There's some good movies out there. So So those are ways, that you can be grateful for yourself and showing yourself gratitude. So yeah, that's our topic for today, gratitude. I'm glad you guys are here again for Workshop Wednesdays. We just want to make sure, remind you guys that you guys can still follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and there's challenges that we post there every Wednesday and Tuesdays and Wednesdays, so you guys can post your comments, and we can always give out shout outs to you guys, the ones who are following our pages. Last thing that I want to remind you guys is, don't forget lunches. You guys can do the lunch and breakfast every Mondays. You can pick up those at the schools from 11 to 12:30. You guys can follow our pages, and we have all the schools there. So guys, stay safe. We'll see you guys again next Wednesday. Thank you.